Have you ever wondered why it seems like everyone is starting a side hustle? A recent study found that a staggering 72% of professionals are diving into a second gig. But why? What's the real driver behind this massive shift in how we approach our careers and our lives? It boils down to three core desires. The first, and perhaps the most powerful, is freedom. The freedom to set your own hours, to work from anywhere, to escape the rigid 9-to-5 structure and build a life on your own terms. It's about reclaiming your time and your autonomy. The second is the pursuit of new skills. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, a side hustle is the ultimate learning ground. It's a low-risk way to master in-demand abilities, from digital marketing to coding, future-proofing your career, whether you stay in your main job or go all in on your own venture. And the third, of course, is more cash. An extra income stream can be life-changing. It can mean paying off debt faster, building a robust savings account, investing in your future, or simply having the financial breathing room to enjoy life without constantly worrying about the next paycheck. But with so many options out there, it's easy to get paralyzed by choice. That's why today we're cutting through the noise. I'm giving you 5 fast, realistic, and high-potential side hustles you can launch right now, perfectly positioned for success in 2025. No fluff, just actionable steps. Ready to build your future? Let's go. First up, number 1, AI prompt consulting. Ever feel like you're talking to a brick wall when using AI? You know it's powerful, but your results are generic and uninspired. That's the exact problem you'll solve. In plain English, AI prompt consulting is the art and science of crafting specific instructions, or prompts, to get precisely what you want from AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude. You're not a coder, you're a translator, a director, teaching businesses how to communicate effectively with their new AI assistants. So, who is this for? It's perfect for anyone who is a strong communicator and a strategic thinker. If you're a writer, a marketer, a project manager, or just someone who loves figuring out puzzles, this is for you. You're targeting clients who are already using AI but are disappointed with the output. Think marketing agencies, content teams, and solo entrepreneurs who need to scale their output without sacrificing quality. Here's your starter checklist. First, master one AI model. Don't try to learn them all. Pick GPT-4 or Claude 3 and go deep. Second, build a portfolio of before and after examples. Show a generic prompt and its weak output, then your expert prompt and the brilliant result. Third, define your niche. Will you specialize in prompts for email marketing, for legal summaries, or for creating social media content? Focus is key. Now let's talk money. For pricing, you have a few options. You can charge an hourly rate, typically between $75 to $150 per hour for consulting and training. You could offer project-based packages, like creating a prompt library for a business for a flat fee of $500 to $2,000. Or, for maximum value, offer a monthly retainer for ongoing support, starting at around $1,000 a month. Imagine this scenario. A small e-commerce brand is struggling to write compelling product descriptions. They're getting bland, repetitive text from their AI. You step in, you analyze their brand voice, their target audience, and their top-selling products. You then build them a custom set of 10-15 prompts that generate perfect, on-brand descriptions every single time. You've just saved them dozens of hours and significantly boosted their conversion potential. That's the power you offer. Your tool stack is simple and low cost. You'll need an AI model like ChatGPT+, a documentation tool like Notion or Google Docs to build your prompt libraries, a screen recorder like Loom to create quick tutorials for clients, and a scheduling tool like Calendly to manage bookings. Ready to start? Here are your first 3 action steps. 1. Spend the next 5 hours becoming a micro-expert in one specific AI use case, like writing effective sales emails. 2. Create 3 powerful before and after examples and post them as a case study. This should take about 2 hours. 3. Write a concise post on LinkedIn or Upwork offering a free 15-minute AI audit. Time commitment, 1 hour. In just 1 day, you're officially in business. So that was AI prompt consulting, a fantastic way to leverage a new skill. But what if your expertise lies in something you already know? That brings us to side hustle number 2, niche tutoring. Forget high school algebra. We're talking about teaching specific, high-value skills to adults who are willing to pay for expertise. What is it? It's offering one-on-one or small group coaching sessions online, focused on a very specific topic. Think beyond academics. We're talking about practical skills like prompt engineering for marketers, crypto basics for beginners, or productivity hacks for the GMAT. You're selling a shortcut to mastery. This is for anyone who has deep knowledge in one particular area. Are you the go-to person at work for Excel? Did you ace a professional certification? Do you have a system for something that others find difficult? If you can explain it clearly, you can teach it. Your starter checklist for this is straightforward. First, identify your micro niche. Don't just teach Excel. Teach Excel pivot tables for sales VPs. The more specific, the better. Second, outline a 60-minute introductory session. What key problem will you solve in that first hour? Third, create a simple profile on a platform like Teachable, or even just a well-crafted LinkedIn post. And fourth, decide on your format. Will it be one-on-one sessions or a small group workshop? For pricing, you can charge per session, with rates from $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the topic's value. A great strategy is to sell packages. For example, a bundle of 5 sessions for a slightly discounted rate to encourage commitment. For a small group workshop of 4 to 6 people, you could charge $75 per person for a 90-minute class. Here's a quick scenario. Sarah is a financial analyst who is an absolute wizard with Google Sheets. She notices her junior colleagues are always asking her for help. She decides to offer a Google Sheets for Finance Professionals tutoring service. Her first client is a marketing manager who needs to build a complex budget tracker. In 2 one-hour sessions, Sarah not only helps him build the tracker, but teaches him the principles behind it. He's thrilled and refers 2 of his colleagues. The tools you'll need are minimal. A video conferencing tool like Zoom or Google Meet, a scheduling link from Calendly, a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, and maybe Canva to create simple, professional-looking worksheets or slides. Your first 3 steps. 1. Spend 1 hour brainstorming and then committing to your specific profitable niche. 2. Take 2 hours to outline your first 60-minute lesson plan and create 1 simple handout. 3. Spend 1 hour crafting a compelling offer and sharing it with your professional network or in relevant online communities. You could be booking your first client by the end of the week. All right, we've covered consulting and teaching. Now let's talk about building something. Side hustle number 3 is micro SaaS. Don't let the name intimidate you. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Micro means we're keeping it incredibly small and focused. The hook? Build a tiny web tool that solves one specific painful problem and charge a recurring monthly fee for it. This is the path to passive income. What is it, really? It's a simple, automated solution. Think of a tool that generates tweet ideas for podcasters, or a calculator that helps freelancers figure out their tax withholdings, or a simple project tracker for a very specific industry. The key is micro. You are not building the next Facebook. You are building a perfect little wrench that solves one single loose bolt for a specific group of people. This is for problem solvers, builders, and systems thinkers. You don't even need to be a hardcore coder anymore, thanks to the rise of no-code platforms. If you can think logically and map out a process, you can build a micro SaaS. Here's your starter checklist. First, find a pain point. Go to forums like Reddit or professional Facebook groups and look for phrases like, "Does anyone know a tool that does X?" or "I waste so much time doing Y." Second, define the absolute minimum viable product, or MVP. What is the simplest version of your tool that still solves the core problem? Third, sketch out the user flow on paper. What are the exact steps a user will take? Fourth, choose your build method. Will you use a no-code tool, a template, or hire a developer for a small project? Pricing for micro SaaS is beautiful because it's recurring. You're not hunting for new clients every month. You charge a monthly subscription. Think in the range of $9 to $49 per month. The goal isn't to get one customer for $1,000. It's to get 100 customers for $10 a month. That's a $1,000 monthly recurring revenue business. Let's use a case study. Alex is a content marketer who is tired of manually creating UTM links to track his campaigns. It's a small but annoying task he does dozens of times a day. He uses a no-code tool to build a simple web app. You paste a URL, fill in 3 fields, and it generates a perfect, shortened, trackable link. He launches it on Product Hunt and prices it at $12 a month. Within 3 months, 200 other marketers who share his pain have signed up. Alex now has a $2,400 per month side hustle that runs almost entirely on its own. Your tool stack could include a no-code builder like Bubble or Softer, a landing page creator like Card to market your tool, and Stripe to handle the recurring payments. Your first 3 steps to get started. 1. Spend 3 hours researching online communities to identify 3 potential pain points. 2. Pick one and spend 2 hours sketching out the simplest possible solution on paper. 3. Use a tool like Card to build a coming soon landing page to gauge interest. This will take about 3 hours. Before you even build the product, you can start collecting emails of potential customers. From building to amplifying. This leads us to side hustle number 4, a content repurposing service. The hook is simple. Every creator and business is sitting on a gold mine of content they don't have time to use. You're the one who mines that gold for them. What is it? You take one piece of long-form content, like a podcast, a YouTube video, or a webinar, and you slice and dice it into dozens of other formats. You turn that 1-hour video into 10 short vertical clips for TikTok and Reels, 5 quote graphics for Instagram, a 5-tweet thread, and a summary for a weekly newsletter. You're a content multiplier. This is for anyone who is organized, has a good eye for engaging content, and is comfortable with basic editing tools. If you understand social media trends and what makes a piece of content pop, you can excel at this. You're saving your clients their most valuable asset, time. Your starter checklist. First, define your packages. For example, a basic package might be 5 short clips from one video. A pro package could be 10 clips, 5 graphics, and a tweet thread. Second, create a portfolio piece. Take a public video from a popular creator and repurpose it as if they were your client. This demonstrates your skill. Third, identify your ideal client. Are you targeting podcasters, business coaches, or gamers? For pricing, you can charge per project, say $300 to repurpose one long-form video. But the real money is in retainers. Busy creators produce content weekly. You can offer a monthly retainer of $200 to $2,500 to handle all their repurposing needs, providing them with a steady stream of social media content. Case study. Meet a business coach who posts a 1-hour interview on YouTube every week. It gets decent views, but she has no time for other platforms. You come in and offer her a monthly retainer. Every week, you take her video and turn it into 7 short, punchy reels, a thoughtful LinkedIn post with key takeaways, and 3 quote graphics. Her social media presence explodes, her audience grows, and she can focus solely on creating her main video. You've become an indispensable part of her team. Your tool stack will include AI-powered editing tools like Descript or Opus Clip to find the best moments, a video editor like CapCut for polishing, Canva for creating graphics, and a project management tool like Trello to keep track of deliverables for your clients. Your first 3 steps. 1. Spend an hour defining 3 clear service packages. 2. Block out 3 hours to create your first portfolio piece from a public video. 3. Spend 1 hour finding 5 ideal clients and send them a personalized message with a link to your work. We've covered the digital world. But what if you want to build something in your local community? That brings us to our fifth and final side hustle, the local delivery concierge. The hook? In an age of impersonal gig apps, you offer a premium, reliable, and personal same-day delivery service for local businesses and busy professionals. What this is a boutique courier service. You're not just a driver, you're a trusted partner. You're the person a local bakery calls to deliver a custom cake, or a law firm uses to run urgent documents across town. You're offering peace of mind. This is for someone who is reliable, personable, and knows their neighborhood inside and out. If you enjoy being active and interacting with people, and you pride yourself on your punctuality and professionalism, this is a perfect fit. You're selling trust and convenience. Here's your starter checklist. First, define your service area. Start small, maybe a 2-mile radius from your home. Second, identify your target clients. Think high-value, low-volume businesses, florists, bakers, law offices, architects, and even busy professionals who need personal errands run. Third, create simple professional marketing materials, a nice business card, and a one-page flyer explaining your rates and reliability. For pricing, you can set flat rates based on distance or urgency. For example, a standard run within your zone could be $15–25. A rush job could be $40. You can also sell run packages to businesses. For example, a book of 10 delivery credits for a discounted price. Let's paint a picture. A local gift shop gets an online order from a customer who needs a birthday present delivered to their spouse's office that afternoon. The shop owner can't leave the store. They call you. You arrive, greet them by name, carefully handle the gift-wrapped package, and deliver it with a professional touch. The shop owner is so impressed they decide to use you for all their local deliveries. Your tool stack is your smartphone. You'll need Google Maps for navigation, a simple payment app like Square or Venmo for business, and a messaging app to communicate with your clients. A reliable bike, e-scooter, or vehicle is also key, depending on your area. Your first 3 steps. 1. Spend 30 minutes defining your hyperlocal service area. 2. Take 1 hour to design a clean, professional flyer in Canva. 3. Block out 2 hours to walk your service area and personally introduce yourself to 10 local businesses, leaving your flyer behind. Your first client could come from that very first walk. So there you have it. 5 distinct, powerful side hustles ready for 2025. AI prompt consulting, niche tutoring, micro SaaS, content repurposing, and the local delivery concierge. The question is no longer, what can I do? The question is, which one will I choose? Don't try to do them all. That's a recipe for burnout. Pick one. Pick the one that genuinely excites you, the one that aligns with your existing skills and your future goals, and then commit. Give it a real shot for 30 days. Follow the action steps we laid out. Track your progress. And I want you to report back. I want to hear about your journey. To make this even easier, I've created a starter pack for you. Want templates for your service packages? Want a detailed starter checklist for the side hustle you choose? It's simple. Hit that follow button and drop a comment below telling me which of the 5 side hustles you're going to start. I'll personally send you the resources to get you moving. Your future is waiting. Let's build it together.